The AeroPulse AeroMax is often highlighted as an exciting lightweight, kit-built aircraft designed for hobby pilots who appreciate simplicity, open-air flying, and the hands-on experience of building their own airplane. While AeroPulse itself isn't an aircraft manufacturer, the AeroMax concept aligns closely with the well-known Team Mini-Max AeroMax kit aircraft, which has built a respectable reputation in the U.S. experimental aviation community. The AeroMax emphasizes minimalism, practicality, and a motorcycle in the sky type of flying that appeals to pilots seeking a pure and immersive flight experience. One of the most appealing aspects of the AeroMax is its straightforward construction philosophy. The airframe features a combination of prefabricated metal parts and CNC laser-cut plywood components, making the build process faster, more precise, and much more accessible to beginners. Because every wooden part is pre-cut and labeled, builders don't need advanced woodworking skills or complicated equipment to achieve accurate assembly. The kit includes most of the essential materials: structural wood, adhesives, hardware, fabric covering, and metal components, allowing builders to focus on assembly rather than constant material sourcing. Engines, propellers, avionics, and finishing materials are not included, giving builders the freedom to choose equipment that fits their personal flying style and budget. The AeroMax typically uses the Herth F23 engine, a 50-horsepower two-stroke powerplant known in the United States for strong performance in the light sport and experimental categories. With this engine, the aircraft cruises at speeds in the upper 60-mile-per-hour range. While that isn't fast compared to larger sport planes, it's perfectly suited to the AeroMax's mission: fun, low-altitude recreational flying. Its low stall speed, around the low 30-mile-per-hour range, contributes to outstanding short-field performance, allowing for takeoff rolls of roughly 160 feet and landing distances around 140 feet. This makes the AeroMax ideal for grass runways, rural airstrips, and other small operating environments commonly found throughout the U.S. Midwest and South. The open cockpit design is one of the AeroMax's signature features. Instead of an enclosed cabin, the pilot sits in a narrow cockpit with exceptional visibility and a direct connection to the elements. Many U.S. pilots describe the sensation as refreshing, exhilarating, and far more engaging than flying an enclosed light sport aircraft. The wind, engine sound, and scenery all feel closer, making every flight memorable, especially at low and slow speeds over farmland, mountains, or lakes. However, the open cockpit does require appropriate clothing for cold weather and can be less comfortable during long flights, so many owners treat the AeroMax as a recreational, weekend flyer, rather than a cross-country travel machine. From a structural standpoint, the aircraft is praised for its durability when properly built and maintained. Wood, though considered old school by some, is actually a strong, lightweight, and easily repairable material, widely used in American home-built aircraft for generations. Enthusiasts note that wooden aircraft, when protected with proper varnish and hangar storage, can last for decades. The spring steel landing gear is built to withstand rough field landings, and the removable wings add convenience for trailering or storing the airplane in smaller hangars, a major advantage for U.S. pilots with limited space. Build time is another major selling point. Most owners report total construction time between 250 and 300 hours, much faster than many experimental kits that require 1,000 to 1,500 hours. For U.S. builders who want an accessible, budget-friendly entry into the experimental aviation world, the AeroMax offers a manageable and rewarding project. The company's support network, online resources, and the strong Mini-Max builder community in the United States help new builders overcome technical challenges and share flight experiences. In the air, the AeroMax delivers a responsive, predictable, and fun flying experience. The light controls and low operating speeds make the aircraft ideal for new pilots or anyone looking for a relaxed, enjoyable ride. It's not designed for long-range travel or high-speed performance. Instead, it shines during scenic local flights, sunset cruising, and low-altitude exploration. Its performance and handling qualities align perfectly with the type of recreational flying that many U.S. pilots enjoy: simple, affordable, and packed with personality. There are practical considerations as well. As an amateur-built experimental aircraft, the AeroMax requires proper inspections, careful construction, and compliance with FAA rules. Pilots typically need at least a sport pilot license to operate it, and insurance options may be more limited than for certified aircraft. The open cockpit reduces utility in bad weather, and payload capacity is modest. Overall, the AeroMax stands out in the U.S. market as an affordable, enjoyable, builder-friendly aircraft that offers a unique open-air flying experience. It's ideal for pilots who value simplicity, adventure, and the pure joy of flight.